In this video, we're going to talk about the difference between the feet in Warrior 1 versus Warrior 2 versus Crescent Pose. I get this question a lot. Hey Nat, my teacher said that the feet are the same in Warrior 1 and Warrior 2. We're only changing the torso. Or hey, are the feet the same in Warrior 1 and in Crescent Pose? It's just the back heel that's lifting. So let's demystify some of this stuff. Different yoga lineages and different yoga teachers teach these differently, and since this is my channel, I want to teach it my way. So here we are. Warrior 1. Typically, we say, put your feet on train tracks. So let's get some terminology straight, first of all. This would be train tracks, one track and the other track, and your train is going on these tracks. Feet on a tightrope would be like this. Imagine you have literally a rope, and you're trying to walk on the tightrope. So Warrior 1, no tightrope, train tracks. How wide your train tracks are depends on the width of your personal pelvis. The one that you have, not your neighbors and not your teachers. Typically, we want the feet aligned with the pelvis. So in the same line as the pelvis. And for some of us, it can feel way better to take it a little bit wider. Okay, but for Warrior 1, we've got feet on train tracks. Your back heel is down. I'm spinning my back inner thigh in slightly. I'm letting this hip be on a diagonal, and I'm wrapping my back ribs forward, right? So from the front, it's a little something like this. From the side, I still have train tracks, stepping it back. Yeah, and then making sure when I look back at my feet, if you have a line in the middle of your yoga mat, one foot is on one side of the line, the other foot is on the other side of the line. Now, it's not quite enough to just swing it open and call this Warrior 2. Because if you look at your feet, you're now still on train tracks. And while there's nothing wrong with that, there's no yoga police that's going to come, take you away, the feet do change from Warrior 1 to Warrior 2. So in Warrior 1, we said train tracks. In Warrior 2, we actually do have tightrope, but it's not tightrope with both feet forward. It's tightrope with one foot forward and one foot out, like this, okay? So your feet are on one line, but you have one turned at a 45-degree angle and the other one forward. This foot is pointing this away. You're engaging your outer hip to keep this knee tracking open. This knee is going to want to go valgus. This is what happens to almost all of us. Your work is to engage the outer thigh and the outer hip complex to pull this knee straight. Now notice, you can't really see my back foot. I mean, you can see the toes and the heel, but we want the heel of the front foot to bisect the arch of the back foot, more or less. And if you go, nah, but that doesn't work in my body, then take it a little bit wider, okay? So move your front foot out a little bit to give yourself a wider stance, but it's not full Warrior 1 width, yeah? So start with heel to arch. If that's uncomfortable, take it a little wider. And also, yoga is not meant to be comfortable. So if you have a conversation with yourself that this isn't comfortable, ask yourself, is it causing me pain? If it's causing me pain, change it. If it's not causing me pain, deal with it and breathe. That is the purpose of our practice, to teach us how to be with discomfort and be okay. Because life, I don't know about you, but life is not comfortable all the time. And what we do on our yoga mat is build the muscle of sitting in discomfort. So you get to discern pain from discomfort. Pain, stop. Discomfort, breathe. Yeah? So that's the nutshell Warrior 1 to Warrior 2. Like I said, different teachers, different lineages might teach this differently. Pop it in the comments if you have it a different way. If you enjoy this kind of breakdown, check out the description below and click on my No Bullshit Yoga Pose library, where we do this with over 90 yoga poses so you can really understand how everything works and how to own them in your practice. The last thing we're going to look at is the difference between Warrior 1 and Crescent Pose. So same with Warrior 1 and Crescent. We're going to have train tracks, but Crescent is going to have the back heel lifted. In Warrior 1, we had the back heel spinning down. Crescent, no. The heel is lifted, okay? However, do I push the heel back towards the floor, Or do I come high on the ball of the foot? This is gonna depend on your teacher, on the purpose of the pose in their sequence, but try it in your own body. Notice, stack your knee over your front heel just so you have the integrity of the front leg. Then start to push your back heel back without moving your whole body backwards, right? Your front leg stays, but you're pushing the heel back. Where do you feel a stretch? What occurs in your body? Then keep the same thing, just lift that back heel up. Don't lose the bend in the front knee. You might need to slide that foot back, lift the back heel up. What do you feel here? I don't want to give you the answer. I want you to feel it for yourself. But heel back or heel forward, different strokes for different folks. Neither one is right or wrong. It just depends. But think, train tracks for Warrior 1 and Crescent Pose, tightrope with the foot turned out for Warrior 2. And I'd love to hear if you have it a different way, put it in the comments below. If you want more of this, check out the link below or comment no BS and I'll shoot you the link so you can check out the pose library. See you in the next video.